Okay, so we're in Cumberland Gap, Tennessee, and we are going to go to the iron furnace. And I've already walked it once, so I know we're good. It's not very far at all, but there's some beautiful creeks. So we're gonna... You can hear the water running. Here's one. And we walk some more. It's all really wet through here. Then again, it was raining all day. Please don't start raining until I'm done. So this one's super pretty. See, it comes out over here. But look at this one. It's a nice paved, not hard, not gonna blow my leg out like I did last time. So you can actually start seeing it right there. Got this area over here. I'm gonna go over to this, whatever this is. This tells about the furnace. It says from the 1820s to the 1880s, an iron smelting business here took advantage of the rushing waters of Gap Creek. Today, only the creek and part of the original 30-foot-high stone tower remain, a small part of industrial complex of buildings, slag heaps, and machinery, then called the newly iron furnace. All the ingredients needed to make iron were nearby. Iron ore deposits close to the surface, limestone, abundant firewood to be made into charcoal for fuel, and water power to run the air bellows, a massive hammer mill. Some iron made here was sold to local blacksmiths. Some of the 150-pound ingots, or pigs, were shipped down the Powell River to Chattanooga, Tennessee. So, this is what all it looks like. And we're gonna walk up to it now. Oh, it's gravel. It's gravel. Let's zoom up on it real quick. It's not too hard to get to. I would have gotten a little lost, not gonna lie. I would have gotten a little lost. And then this way is a trail. No, thank you. Oh, big stair. Oh, big step, little person. This is dry, but that's wet down there. They got it locked off, obviously. Can't trust people. Yeah. Don't want to take it too far. My luck, I dropped the damn thing. Here we go. It's a padlock, and I guess you'd put... I'm sure it's somewhere right. Let's see. There we go. Alright. Got some water down here. Try not to break my legs. Oh, look at all this pretty water. Lots of water. Yeah. And this is Iron Furnace, Cumberland Gap, Tennessee.